Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your VIVO X300 Ultra. First, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings, and here in the settings, go to display brightness and eye protection. Now we have something called auto brightness, and we want to make sure that we disable it. It's very important. Make sure that you do not have the custom brightness set up. And of course, we're going to disable it. And here we want to adjust the brightness manually. So let me quickly put it somewhere in here. And now what are we going to do is download the screen dimming app from the Play Store. So go to search here, search for the screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. Now we're going to download this app right here. It's only 1.5 megabytes. And the install was really quick. We're going to click open and grant the first permission to control the brightness. Now the next one, to update the overlay and a keyboard, you need to scroll down and go to downloaded services and here enable it. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds until we will be able to click on allow. Now this is the sensitive permission, and we still want to give it out because it only changes the brightness. It wants to keep it that way, and the notifications. Once we enable it, we will see this menu right here. Let me quickly put it like this, and here we have brightness settings. We can make it a bit dimmer, we can make it brighter, and as you guys can see, when the brightness is just so low, it actually flickers my screen. That's why if I keep it like this, it's good. And as you guys can see, we got the change delay, we got the change duration, we also got the minimum physical brightness. We can reset the settings right here, and once you don't want to use the app anymore, you just tap it off. And that's basically it for the app. As a last resort, of course, you guys can go over into settings, and in the settings, swipe down, go to system update, and here make sure to update your software. So I'm on the latest version, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.